Hello friends, install SideMakers app on your Android mobiles to learn Laravel. You are just required to open the Google Play on your mobile devices. After that you can search SideMakers. After that you can install that SideMakers app to follow any of the playlists to learn Laravel. I am going to show you the steps here in my Mac. Okay, you are just required to open the Play Store. You are just required to search for the Play Store and you can open the Play Store here. Okay, then you can easily search here for the side makers, and after searching for the side makers you can able to see the side makers app. Okay, so you can able to see the side makers app that you can open and you can able to install, like I have already installed in all my devices. So you can also able to install it in your device if your device is already attached with your Google Play. Okay, so you can click here and then it will automatically install in on your mobile, Android mobile. Okay, so after the installation you can able to access the complete sidemakers.in website on your mobile in the mobile view. Okay, by which you can able to watch any of the playlist, any of the latest video, and the playlist Laravel 10 series you can able to watch for making the e-commerce website. And also you can able to watch the complete Laravel series of 250 plus videos, and you can able to watch the multi-vendor e-commerce website series as well. You can able to watch the other series as well, and you can able to download the source code as well. You can able to watch the React.js series as well as the Laravel interview questions as well. So there are many things that you can follow on this app. I hope that you can able to install the app, and after installation you can able to take benefit of learning the Laravel from this app. Thank you everyone.